Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you could head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. While crude oil prices can be volatile, for the most part, they have been range-bound over the last quarter, with macroeconomic developments failing to energize oil prices. At the start of 2024, the forecast was for crude oil to trade above $100 per barrel in the back half of the year. That hasn't materialized. Oil is trading below $80 per barrel at the time of this recording for the first time since February. That said, the outlook for oil remains robust, with supply growth expected to increase to 102 million barrels per day in 2025. Longer-term demand for oil will remain strong thanks to green energy. And why is that? It's because oil and petroleum-based products are indispensable for global electrification. For the foreseeable future, the world will be relying on oil and gas. Unfortunately, not everyone lives near an oil field. And that's why midstream oil and gas companies like MPLX LP, traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol MPLX, are the unsung hero of oil patch. They are the toll bridges of oil patch, moving oil and gas from the wells to refineries. And these companies get paid whether drillers make money or not. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Yeah, MPLX is, as you can probably guess, an oil and gas midstream company formed by oil and gas behemoth Marathon Petroleum Corporation, which trades on the New York Stock Exchange under ticker MPC. Findlay, Ohio-based company owns and operates midstream energy infrastructure and logistics assets and provides fuel distribution services. Its assets, which are in a key U.S. supply bases, include, and I'll just give you a few here, a network of crude oil and refined product pipelines, an inland marine business, storage caverns, crude and light product marine terminals, and crude oil and natural gas gathering systems and pipelines.
John, let's get into numbers now. How did this company do in the first quarter of this year?
Quite well. For the first quarter ended March 31st, 2024, MPLX announced that total revenue increased 5% year over year to $2.86 billion. First quarter net income increased 6.6% to just over $1 billion, while adjusted earnings climbed around 7.5% to $1.6 billion. Net cash provided by operating activities inched up to around $1.3 billion, while distributable cash flow rallied 8% to $1.37 billion, or 85 cents per unit. And adjusted free cash flow was $294 million.
And I think this is something income investors will like. This company has increased its distribution for 10 straight years.
Yeah, strong first quarter cash flow generation allowed MPLX to return $951 million of capital to unit holders. Strong cash flows also allowed the company has been able to increase its distribution by 10% in each of the last 2 years and increase the payout more broadly for the last 10 consecutive years. This past October 2023, it increased its quarterly distribution by 10% on an annual basis to 85 cents per unit. Now, it's held there since then. This translates into an annual distribution of $3.40 per unit for a pretty frothy yield of 7.9%. Now, if history is any indicator, MPLX should announce another distribution hike in the third quarter, making it 11 straight years of distribution growth.
And I also see that MPLX units are crushing the broader market.
Strong financial results are helping juice MPLX units. On July 22nd, MPLX hit a new record intraday high of $43.42 per unit, and it's currently trading near that level. MPLX stock is, as you said, crushing the market, up around 17% over the last 6 months, 23% year to date, and 33% year over year. Now, those are big, market crushing gains, but Wall Street thinks MPLX units will hit fresh highs over the coming quarters, with analysts providing a 12-month share price target range of $45.78 per share to $50 per share. Now, analysts expect MPLX revenue to increase from $11.28 billion in 2023 to $11.9 billion in 2024 and $12.31 billion in 2025. Earnings, meanwhile, are projected to grow from $3.80 per share in 2023 to $4.06 per share this year, and $4.31 per share in 2025. So you can kind of see where their bullish enthusiasm is coming from.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Just to recap, MPLX LP continues to be a great midstream stock, reporting strong free cash flow growth, which helps support its reliable growing ultra-high yield dividend. The outlook remains bright too for the company, with analysts calling for strong revenue and earnings growth, which should help see MPLX unit hit additional new highs. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.